The selection of valve actuation methods should be based on 1. Valve type, specifications, and structure. 2. Valve operating torque, pipeline pressure, maximum pressure differential, and thrust requirements. 3. Maximum ambient temperature and fluid temperature. 4. Operating mode and frequency of use. 5. Opening, closing speed and time requirements. 6. Stem diameter, thread pitch, and rotation direction. 7. Connection method. 8. Power source parameters, voltage, phase number and frequency of the electric power supply, pressure of the pneumatic power source, medium pressure of the hydraulic system. 9. Special considerations: low temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, explosion-proof requirements, waterproofing, fire resistance, radiation resistance, etc.